Hello, wonderful people. If you are looking for a wonderful and great self jump starter, try this one. Winter or fall is just around the corner, and this little device here can save you from an emergency. You don't need to wait for anyone. You can just whip out your jump starter all on your own, all by yourself. You can actually jump your car. So as you can see here, the black goes to the black, the red goes to the red, and then this goes on this here, right here. Here, let me just grab it. Right. A second, people. So right there, you insert this. You may need to charge the jump starter. This is basically the battery. You need to charge it. You may need to charge it. Okay. You may need to charge it. And as you can see here, it's 12 volt. This thing is very powerful. This thing is super powerful. I got it about a month ago, maybe 3 weeks now, from Amazon, and my car was just misbehaving. I bought a brand new battery for my car in January, February-ish, and this car was not behaving. Suddenly the battery started misbehaving, and I knew it wasn't battery issue, like needing to replace the battery. So somebody told me, take it to AutoZone. They can check it for free and tell you what's the problem. I took it there to check it. They said it's low voltage. I don't know why the battery is giving low voltage on my Dodge, but I noticed that Dodge cars tend to have that kind of issue. So now I've been thinking about getting a self jump starter. I went online and I bought this for literally $27. I'm just rounding the amount up. It was like 26 something. So that meaning the price can change, okay? Online stuff, price can change. And they said it's for, well, let me see. This was supposed to be for a car. It wasn't even for like an SUV. They had another one because based on the level of amount of gas, because they put the amount of gas per car and then they put the amount of diesel that this jump starter is supposed to work for. So I was wondering, will this thing work for me? Will this thing work for me? And I was like, God, please let it work for me. So these are the charging ports, okay? And I think this one too. But there you go. It looks like the battery is dead. Am I doing something wrong here? But when it came, I plugged it right there to charge. I used one of my chargers there. As you can see, the charging port right there. This little one here. I stuck it in there. It was already partly charged when it came. And then I took it outside. Coincidentally, my car had stopped working the day before. Or the day after I bought this. And then somebody was outside. I asked him to jump me. He brought his truck. And He jumped me. I was rushing to go somewhere. I couldn't wait to push the start button, and then when I did, I kept pushing it, and the battery just finally collapsed and it wouldn't come on. And then this came. It came. See, it's coming on. It's beeping. And then it came. And I was still wondering, will this work for my SUV? Because the capacity that they put, you know, my SUV takes more gas than the 12 liter, I think, or 10 liters, something like that. So as soon as I plug these things to the appropriate space they're supposed to go on the battery, red goes on red, black goes on the other one, my car and my key fob, everything came on before I could even go and press the button inside the car. So my people, if you are looking for a very affordable and powerful one-person jumper cable, literally this can save you a headache when winter comes. You don't need another person. This can even be life-saving. Somebody may be stranded, and this is what they have. They can just pull it out and literally jump themselves to safety, you know. So get yourself one of these. I'll attach the link below. Get yourself one. I'll attach the link. Okay, you just need to click on the link and get you one of these. You will have a whole lot of peace of mind. I did, and now I make sure I have it in my car. See, the storage thing is so nice. It literally came. I did next day shipping, and it came, and it didn't disappoint me. You know, so grab yours. Grab it for your college students. Grab it for yourself. Grab it for your older parents. Grab it for anyone, you know, that you might want to give a gift, you know. So like I said, prices change, but I got mine for $27, and I'm super happy and glad I did. Okay, look. And then when you get it, come back to actually comment and let us know if it worked for you, because mine did. And this, you can even buy this and take it to your country. If you are somebody who travels, you can travel with it. It's a whole lot of peace of mind. I know the peace of mind I have from this thing. And for some of us that are that are from Africa or other countries, you have this. It's a wonderful thing. A friend of mine was telling me that when she traveled, the car turned off on them, and they were going to some place or village, and they had to wait and wait and wait for a car to come by. But if they had this, that wouldn't be the case at all. Okay. So yeah, and of course you can use it as a flashlight. It's not charged right now. See the flashlight here? Yeah, that's the flashlight section. So you can use it as a flashlight to see where to put things to go before you jump your car. Okay, good luck to everyone. Do comment if it works for you. And if you use my link, I get a percentage of the purchase, but you need to make the purchase within 24 hours of clicking the link. Okay, guys, so that's it. That's my truth, and I wish it for everybody. My little piece of mind here.